Do you brainstorm ideas in sticky notes, Excel sheets, or random documents and then struggles to organize them in Confluence? What if I told you that you can create powerful mind maps directly inside Confluence using Gliffy diagrams for Confluence? Hi everyone, welcome to Raigurkul. This is Deepak Rai, and if you're working with Atlassian Confluence and looking for a visual way to brainstorm plans or structure ideas, then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to create mind maps using Gliffy diagrams for Confluence. Step by steps along with shortcut tips and customizations options. If you are visiting this channel first time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Atlassian, Jira, Confluence, and productivity tips. Before we begin, let's first understand what is mind maps. A mind map is a visual brainstorming tool that helps you quickly capture ideas and organize them into meaningful clusters. Unlike flowcharts, which have a clear start and end, mind maps grow organically from its central ideas and branch out into related topics. This makes mind map perfect for brainstorming sessions, requirement gathering, product planning, and process design. You can also use it for automations and RPA ideations. Question for you is, where do you usually brainstorm your ideas? Are you using paper, whiteboard, or digital tool while doing discussions with the customer? Let's high level understand what is Gliffy. Gliffy is a powerful, popular Atlassian marketplace add-on that lets you create diagrams directly inside Confluence without switching tools. Mind map template in Gliffy comes with built-in intelligence, keyboard shortcuts, and layout control designed specifically for brainstorming. This is the place where you can find out mind maps map. You have to just select templates and click on create. If you want, you can just modify this or you can create it from scratch. Everything stays inside Confluence, fully documented and shareable. That's the main key benefit. Here you can see this is the basic diagrams created for us, but we can either use this diagram and create it or create it from scratch. So these are some samples available which you can use it. It also provides shortcuts. So one of the best things about Gliffy Mind Map is how fast you can work using keyboard shortcuts. So Control plus arrow keys provides you to add a subtopic where you can use tab plus arrow key to add a siblings or parallel topics. Up and down keys for moving things up and down. Left and right keyboards are moving processes from left to right like this. I'm pressing arrow keys. So these are some of the navigations are available. These shortcuts let you map ideas as fast as you think. Now, question for you is, do you prefer keyboard shortcuts or mouse clicks when working with diagrams? Let me know in comment sections. This also helps you to tidy up and customize mind maps. Brainstorming can get messy and that's okay. Gliffy provides powerful tools to tidy things up afterwards, where we can click on topic. This is a root name where you can do modifications, edit text properties like their families, font size, and everything can be doable. We can even use custom property sections where we can apply same color to families or generations. We can use it. So these are different color layouts Even we can change layouts according to our requirement. Here we can rename this sections and we are good with it. If you are switching to the layout, we can also use different layout sections. So using layout to auto arrange nodes, choose how your colors are applied. Families equal to parents and children share the same color. Generations, all parallel topics share the same colors like this. So if you can see here, this is the root. These are the parent items and these are the childs. So childs are sharing the same colors. So here how teams actually use Gliffy mind maps in Confluence. Either they are using agile sprint planning, automations idea discovery, where we can talk about RPA, AI use cases, anything. Requirement breakdown, stakeholder brainstorming workshops, and knowledge documentations. These are the different prospects where companies are using to make their life easier. Now, question for you is which use case fits your work the best? When we are talking about mind maps, you can even further make it to different size and structure. We can even set the aspect ratios, shape if you want. We can even modify the color codes directly from here. We have options for pixel as well as we can add gradient or drop shadow. So these all options are available, which we can make it better. We also have options for this type of layout. Whenever you will change, it will get applied. Now, pro tips for mind maps. Don't delete the main topics. This is the main topic. If you'll delete, it will messed up. You have to delete it sequentially. Use shortcuts for speed up. Collapse branches to keep diagrams readable. If you think we can just add child node and all, we can do it. If you wanted to do the collapse sections, we can add a collapse so that you can read the branches. Use color generations for presentations. So these all are color codes which you can use it for your presentations notes. This is how we can save and go back to the Confluence, and that's where you can see your mind maps are available. When you'll click on this, we can save and close, and then you will see inside your documentations itself. This is how it looks in your mind map. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your teams. Drop your questions in the comments. I would love to know how you're using Gliffy diagrams for Confluence in your project. If you wanted to try it out, feel free to refer the link in descriptions. It will help you to create 30 days trial account for a team or projects, and you can start using it. If you have any suggestions, questions, or feedback about this tool, let me know in comments, or you can even share with Gliffy team by directly reaching out to them. That's all for today. We'll see you next video.